Okay, people, it's the year 2020 and we're about to slay on a budget. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Omotola. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back today. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you are aware, I will be showing you how I make this very easy spring twist hair from normal expressions. So to start off, let me just give honor to whom honor is due. Loveth Speaks is the idea behind this very easy spring twist. I took some of her tips on her passion twist tutorial and I made it into this easy spring twist. For those of you who do not know, spring twist and passion twist have been around for quite some time now. Slightly similar and slightly different. The difference being that, you know, one is woven with some loose curls and the other one is woven with really tight curls. So the one with the loose curls is passion twist and the one with the tight curls is spring twist. I believe that is the difference because I really don't see much of a difference between the spring twist and the passion twist. So with the spring twist, I made my hair from normal expressions hair and I will be showing you that in a minute. But just to clarify, passion twist is slightly the curls on passion twist are slightly apart while the curls on spring twist are close together. I don't know if that makes sense, but that is the only difference that I have seen with the passion twist and the spring twist. And I've been looking for a protective style that I can rock for a couple of weeks to a month because I've been wearing my natural hair for a very long time now, close to a month or over a month. And to be honest, I need a break from styling my hair every morning or every time I have to go out. So I settled on the spring twist because I think that the passion twist is like the in thing now. Everyone, oh well, almost everyone is rocking a passion twist. And I want something different. I want something like a spring twist. And let me stop yapping now and show you how I made this hair. Okay, for this tutorial we will need some expressions hair, and this is the color 35. I have 2 packs here. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a wide tooth comb and a rat tail comb, some plastic straws, and these are the really hard ones, some bobby pins or hairpins, and that is it. So I began by sectioning out the hair, and because I wanted mid-length, I sectioned the hair into 3. I cut it and I proceeded to pick out the hair. This step gives the final look a more tapered look. It makes the ends very thin and just gives it that very nice finish. So when we're done picking out the hair, we go in with the wide tooth comb and begin to comb out all the knots. This step is very important, and I also suggest that you can use a detangling brush to comb out all the knots because when you're taking out the spring twist, you don't want any knots at all. Okay, so to start making the spring, we're going to use one of the straws like I showed you in the beginning, the very hard ones, and you're going to pass it through a small section of hair, about 1.5 inches of the straw. We're going to bend the straw and secure it with a bobby pin. When that's done, we're going to collect the hair in one hand and twist the straw around a couple of times just to make sure that the hair is tough and can be handled, and begin to twist our wrists simultaneously.
Both wrists are being twisted, and as we're twisting, we're holding the hair firmly in one hand and twisting with the other hand. We're just going to continue to twist the hair very tightly around the straw until we've exhausted all the hair. Bend the end of the straw to meet with the 1.5 inch that we left in the beginning. Bend the straw in two and tuck it in with the other end, and that is it. I'm going to repeat this step again, and all I'm doing is take the hair, leave 1.5 inches, pass it through the straw, bend the straw 1.5 inches, secure it with the bobby pin, twirl the hair around the straw a couple of times until the hair is tough and has gathered together, and begin to twist both wrists, keeping the hair very closely together. I also forgot to mention that the hair is of equal length, so we're holding the hair midsection. Just continue to twist it very closely together until you've exhausted all the hair. And when you're done, we'll just fold the end of the straw to meet up with the 1.5 inch that we left off in the beginning. Fold the ends of the straw in two, just so that it's able to tuck into the other one. And that is it, guys. It is that easy. Of course, when we're done, we're just going to pour some hot water on all of the hair. Make sure you get all the hair immersed in the hot water. Let the hair sit in the hot water for a couple of minutes before you strain it out. When you strain the hair out, just collect it in a towel and let it drain off the excess water. You will want to wait till the hair is cool enough to handle before you detangle it. All you have to do is take out the bobby pin, unhook the straw, and slide the hair out of the straw. Do not roll the hair out. And there we are, perfection. Here we are, guys. This is the final look. I mean, I was so impressed with the turnout. It turned out perfectly. I mean, just look at the curls on this thing and look at the bounce. It is so bouncy. It is so light. The bobby pins are still in great condition. I mean, I can totally reuse them, but I can't say the same for the straws. Honestly, guys, it does not get any easier than this. Please try this hair out and let me know how you found it. It is so versatile. You can crochet it, you can have passion twist from it, you can get spring twist from it. I mean, it's endless.
It is that easy, guys. It is that simple. I mean, I used less than a pack of expressions there in the color 35, and that was what I was able to achieve. I mean, when I take out the curls on one of the strands of the already made spring twist, I can make about 2 strands of that. So if I have about 40 of that, I mean, that could make about 80 strands of hair on my own head. So I'm going to be installing this hair about next week, so please look out for that video. I will be sure to get back to you. I upload a video at least once. I try to upload a video at least once a week. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know what other hairstyles you would like me to try out and what other codes you would like me to crack, in Lovett's words. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Goodbye.